Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you something that I've been working on in Unity, and as you can see it's supposed to be just like a planet hopping game. You can hop between planets, and the direction that your feet is facing is always down, and that was the only part that was sort of tricky. But actually with Unity and all the built-in functions that it has for rotations, since that's obviously something that always scares away game developers or whatever, or new game developers, is because yeah, rotations and transformations in 3D space can be a little tricky, but I got it working with quaternions or whatever. I mean, I don't fully understand quaternions, but I was able to use them well enough to do this. And let's show what it looks like when I jump from wait, let's go to a good view first. So as you can see, he's getting pulled towards the other planet. And when I jump, actually he'll jump up. And then he'll go like this. And wait, he'll go like that. And his feet will go facing that way. Let's try. Yep. Let's try it again. Oh, that wasn't enough. Yeah, there we go. So we can see his feet are always facing towards the center of mass, and the center of mass must be pretty close to where he is, because that's why he's in that weird steep angle. Makes it kind of hard to walk. But that's how it really would be in real life. So, you know, realism. I don't know about the orientation. Your orientation can be whatever you like, but here we go. Where is that big white ball? Let's go towards it. Let's take a look at our scene here. Which ball will he fall towards? That ball. Anyway, you get the idea. Thanks for watching. It's my first Unity project. Anyway, yeah, have a good